everyone, I'm Pavneet and today we're going to discuss the sample answer of another cue card. That is, describe a picture or photograph of you that you like. You should say where it was taken, when it was taken, who took it, and explain how you felt about it. Let's get started with the sample answer then. As the old saying goes, every picture tells a story, and the one that I'm about to describe is no exception. This particular photo really hits the nail on the head with its stunning layout and the emotion it captures. The photograph was taken at the serene Lake Pichola in Udaipur, India, during the golden hour when the sun was about to set. It was a picture-perfect scene. So over here, students, I have used different things in order to make my language better. I've started with hit the nail on the head. So this we can use when you want to say that something is exactly right or true. There we can use it. जब कोई चीज़ आप सच बता रहे हो, there we can use hit the nail on the head. Stunning we can use for talking about beautiful. Serene mean peaceful. Picture perfect. It's mean the thing or the place that is perfectly fine for taking pictures. There we can use it. Next one. If I remember rightly, it was captured on a pleasant evening last year. At that time, the city was a hive of activity. Both locals and tourists enjoyed the vibrant atmosphere. I also went there for strolling with my friends. I wore a long frock which was in red color. Then a renowned local artist approached me. He was an elderly gentleman who spent his days by the lake, creating lasting memories for visitors with his old and crusty camera. His work was literally second to none, and he always went the extra mile to capture the perfect shot. So I have started with if I remember rightly. Student, this we can use a lot of times when we want to talk about the past scenario. So before starting any past scenario, you can come up with the starter, and that is if I remember rightly. Then I have used hive of activity. This idiom means a place that is very busy and full of people. There we can use hive of activity. Next one, vibrant, it's mean colorful. Renowned mean famous. Second to none, it's mean that the thing which is really best or in high quality. There we can say second to none. Went the extra mile. This is once again an idiomatic expression, and this means to do more than what is expected or required. There we can use went the extra mile. Let's go ahead then. He captured me in different poses. He was the one who made me confident that I was looking drop dead gorgeous on that day. To my surprise, as I stood there looking at the photograph in the artist's hand, I was on cloud 9. The image was more than just a picture, even it was a piece of art that showed the soul of Udaipur and my beauty as well. In the background, the picture shows a boatman on a bright water, the high-rise buildings in the distance, and the birds flying back in the sky. All these simple things came together to make the photo truly memorable. All in all, this is the picture of mine which was taken, and to be honest, I'm literally obsessed with this photo of mine. So I have used drop dead gorgeous. It's been absolutely beautiful. There we can use it. Cloud9 for talking about happy. There we can use Cloud9. That's it. We are totally done with the sample answer. I hope you liked this video, and whatever the idiomatic expression I've used, you can use it in any cue card. You just have to learn the meaning, and that's it. You're good to go with everything. So just try to use those in your part second along with part first and third. Don't forget those as well. If you like my sample answer, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment as well, so that I would know that, yeah, you are liking my sample answer. Thank you. Bye-bye. Stay tuned.